say I will make fun. I will have a big Koya.
Wow, I will help you.
Okay, Abe.
Okay.
I will have a different one.
Wow, where did you buy the slime?
Asiamo.
Oh, what's the name of the mall? Al?
Mother.
Okay.
Mother Mo. I am Mother Mo. Let me open it.
Okay. Can I help you with your
Okay.
shirt? Okay. And here. Okay.
But see, best fish with that.
Okay, here, Robert, open. You want mommy to open?
Okay.
This is the one. What's this?
Right.
Wow.
Should I get my frying?
To touch it?
Yeah. Oh, this. Oh, right. What are you gonna eat? A brush.
Will you mix everything?
Then,
You need help?
it's still. It's my frying.
Okay. Oh, you have this?
Yeah. It's foggy.
Your dad is so poggy.
Give me the so foggy. So foggy. May the so foggy.
Ito. Kasi, may ginawa pa kami dahil para mabay siya ng slime. Hug and... Diba? What did we do kay daddy para mabay ng slime?
Hug.
Hug. Diba?
I'll make it.
Okay. Nice sound. You want to put the pink glitter? Like a pizza. You want to put the glitters na?
Yes.
I help you, huh? Which one? This one or this one?
This one.
First. Careful. I'll hold your slime, then mommy will help you.
I want to make all colors.
Not everything up, are you?
I decide this is frying.
You like it?
No, this one.
No, okay.
Let's try. It's working.
It's working.
Sabi ko may hiitas.
Look at her glitters. Wow.
Sabi ko may hiitas.
So squishy.
Sabi ko may hiitas.
Like pink.
I'll do my own.
Okay. Will you put the dinosaur?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. I just shake my dinosaur.
Okay. Wow, the dinosaur is inside the slime now.
I want to this one because my free color.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh,
Very good because you're playing on the table, diba? Not on the couch.
thank you.
Okay.
A bigger rubber, a bigger yummy.
Okay, very good, Yabby.
Very good,
A
Robin.
bigger yummy, new crazy. The new crazy outside.
Ba't magka-fry si Yabby?
New crazy yummy siya outside siya.
Can I play? Can I play also?
Yes, sure. Try it. Touch it.
Touch it. Oh, like the cheese on the pizza, right? Remember the cheese? Sa festival? You remember the pizza that you ate sa festival, Rovel? Diba? The cheese is also stretchy.
Yes. How do you like that, sure?
Like that.
I mean, I do what?
Thank you.
Go
Bye,
to the-
dinosaur. Why?
Yes, I like it.
I put inside the, ano na, the jar.
Yes.
Konti.
Mommy, ready for the first
More pa.
two.
Slowly, not everything. Para meron ka pa later on. Wah, dami! Not everything. Oh, she put everything na, Yabi. Ano sabi, Yabi?
Nako.
What else do you know? In Filipino? Aba.
Aba.
Lagot.
Robel.
Lagot. Sino lagot?
Si Robert.
Bakit?
Because I can make money. Have to na, mommy. Have one, two.
Wow.
Have to na.
Where did we buy the other one?
Siya?
Almada Mall also.
Ayun?
Yeah.
Mommy. No. This no chocolate. Because you have to do because everything.
Oh no, sorry.
Yes, mommy, I just bring you fries.
Okay.
I just bring my fries, mommy.
Okay, I wash my hands first.
Oh, nice. See? I'll do my shoes. I get in my front. Number 8. Number 8. Here, guys. Paper frame.
Would like some yogurt ice cream?
Me? No, mommy, no.
Like,
No. Mom, si Tito. See, Abuelita. I put everything. I make pizza. You gotta make a pizza. You gotta make a pizza. I make pizza, Yabby. Look. Check dito. Say hi sa pizza. Say hi pizza. Okay. Oh, I should say to my friend, you correct it. It's our frying. Ito is pepper na. Look, it's pepper. It's pepper. Yes, look, it's pepper. Mommy! Happy to this is pepper. My friend is still walking.
Ano?
Where's my friend? It's walking now. So I saw that machine. Yabi, ano yung sa bathroom? Ano yung sa water?
Bawal yan sa water ilagay, di ba?
Okay, Yabi. Oy, pepper. Oy, pepper.
Mm-mm.
Okay, Yabi. So, ito. Our frying. Yabi,
Mm.
issue frying. Ah, smell good? Smell good, Yabi?
Hindi, bawal to eh.
Smell good? Smell good? Smell good?
Smell good.
Okay, smell.
Bawal. Paninis yan,
Smell
paninis.
good.
Yan yung pledge. Yung pledge. Smell good.
Uy! 13